Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica's gamer? Here with another reaction. Guys, I'm losing my voice, man. I'm doing too much. I'm streaming, I'm doing reaction, I'm DJing out. I'm doing too much. Anyway, I did say I'm going to drop something more upon the Outbreak Riddim, right? Busy Signal, we hear it, Busy Signal. Any of them this. Busy Signal, Outbreak Riddim. You see we drop the Idonia on the Riddim, which make a pin at the end of that video, yeah. So if you don't watch it yet, you can watch this, then you can go over the Idonia one and watch it. You see me? Idonia Subverter, sorry. So we're gonna jump in that one, yeah, cause like me said, there's Movado Fido, there's Assassin Fido, there is Elephant Fido, there's a couple well Fido pan the Riddim, yeah. So make you jump in it and you're ready, GSA. Let's go. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up. You see me? Jamaica_worst_gamer on Instagram. You see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that. You see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. Ready?
As we speak, somebody dying. Me armed and prepared, dog. I mean no go a road left me straight, dog. 3 gangsters a road no play, dog. Dog get dirty so me pick up a spare, dog. Figure spray, dog. You see, as we speak, somebody dying. Me armed and prepared, dog. I mean no go a road left me straight, dog. 3 gangsters a road no play, dog. Dog get dirty so me pick up a spray, dog. Figure spray, dog. You see, dog, guns me buy, me no get me see, dog. I mean I pose with it for your see, dog. Don't tell me no carry side with the pandem. Any of them. As we speak, somebody dying. Me armed and prepared, dog. I mean no go a road left me straight, dog.
So him tell us say yo, him always prepare. Him always prepare. Him no left him pie when him a go up on the road. Him no left him straight, dog, when him a go up on the road. Him always have it with him. Prepared.
Somebody dying. Me armed and prepared, dog. I mean no go a road left me straight, dog. 3 gangsters a road no play, dog. Dog get dirty so me pick up a spare, dog. Figure spray, dog.
So when him said dog get dirty, so him pick up a spear, dog. Figure spray, dog. So him tell us say yo, if that dog there, if they're going to have too much dopey on it, if they're going to do too much shooting, commit too much crime, him going to pick up a new gun, one spear gun, because him have whole heap. You see me? Because remember, you know, when a gun get dirty, you know want police catch you with that, if police catch you with that, yo, and them run the ballistics, y'all get everything when they going to have a fair fight, So the boss tell us say him going to pick up a spear, dog, figure spray, dog. You see me? So him going to take the gun there all over again and go pick up and the cycle continues. Let's go.
3 gangsters a road no play, dog. Dog get dirty so me pick up a spare, dog. Figure spray, dog. You see, dog, guns me buy, me no get me see, dog. I mean I pose with it for your see, dog.
You see, dog, guns me buy, me no get receipt, dog. I mean I pose with it for your see, dog. So they say yo, him buy him gun them off of the black market. Him buy him gun them illegally. Remember when you go to one gun shop and buy your gun, you get your receipt. You might tell us a film gun them when I buy, no receipt no come with it, brother. Just exchange and cut. Yeah. And him say, yo, him not posing it for no seat. You see me? Him not posing it for your seat because him on a 6. So anytime on a see him gun, and the last thing on I go see before you get. Let's go.
You see, dog, guns me buy, me no get me see, dog. I mean I pose with it for your see, dog. Don't tell me no carry side with the pandem. Any of them this? Well I hell and powder house. Boy brain jump left, skull and a bounce about.
Yo, the man say, any of them this? Well a hell and powder house in this ras, yeah. Any of them this? A hell and powder house. Boy brain jump left. What I say? Any of them this? Well a hell and powder house. Boy brain jump left, hand on a town. Boy brain jump left, head on a. Well. Any of
them this? Well a hell and powder house. Boy brain jump left, skull and a bounce about.
That's it. Boy brain jump left, skull and a bounce about. Yeah? Any of them this? Well a hell and powder house in here. Boy brain jump left, skull and a bounce about. Boy.
Any of them this? Well, I hell and powder house. Boy, brain jump left, skull and a bounce out. Can't go round me no round about. Rifle shot circle boy and jump through the farmer mouth.
Rifle shot circle boy and jump through in farmer mouth. Chat too much. Shot in your mouth. Hold this. One to your mouth.
And a bounce out. Can't go round me no round about. Rifle shot circle boy and jump through the farmer mouth. At it, flank a man and save them.
Any of them this. Flank a man and save them. Then I'm gonna say, can't fuck around Clarendon and Mapen. So it might be big up the word side to watch it now.
About rifle shot circle boy and jump through the farmer road. At it, flank a man and save them. Can't fuck around Clarendon and Mapen.
Bumbo clock
no
now.
rock folk no fear them. No mention no save them. But I already rush this. Me never ask no question. From me see the little fool. They can know say yes man.
But I already rast this. Me never ask no question. From you see the little fool. They know say yes man. I say yo, what this? What this? Yo, watch it, brother. Me never ask no question. Cause from me see you, me know say you're waste man. You're not good. You're a fool.
Can't fuck around Clarendon and
You're a fool.
no rock folk no fear them. No mention no save them. But I already rush this. Me never ask no question. From me see the little fool. They can know say yes man. Kill him first. Steve kill the next one. Me step out, step on. No let me weapon from where the air.
Relax! But I already rast this. Me never ask no question. From me see the little fool, they know say yes man. Kill him first. So him tell say him I got kill that one the first, and Stephen I got kill the next one. Remember say Stephen Riddim. So him a shout out Stephen see him here. Stephen McGregor. From any of them this. Well I hell and powder house. Boy brain jump left skull and a bounce about. From him touch that verse there. Lyrics are chop. Lyrics are chop. And the chap go right to the end of the song. Listen everything a joke.
Save them, can't fuck around Clarendon and Bumbo clock no rock folk no fear them. But I already rush this. Me never ask no question. From me see the little fool. They can know say yes man. Kill him first. Steve kill the next one. Me step out, step on. No left me weapon.
Me step out, step on. No left me weapon. Remember say him say step out in me black. That song there. He might tell us from him step out in a left him weapon, brother.
You can know say yes man. Kill him first. Steve kill the next one. Me step out, step on. No left me weapon from where the air. Fool them a send be a check man. Them can't go round a big ship go check man.
The fool them a send be a chat from where they, but them chats are empty chat. Empty. Barrel make the most noise. Yeah, we not listen to them. Them can't go run a big ship, a big ship go check man that run a Freddie McGregor studio. Steven them, Chino them, big up on themselves. Can't go run they go check. Yeah,
From me see the little fool, they can know say yes man. Kill him first, Steve kill the next one. Me step out, step on, no let me weapon from where the air. Fool them a send me a check man. Them can't go round a big ship go check man. Them source me number start send me a text man.
So I must say them source him number, them ask people for him number, get him number, and I send me a text. Brother, text badness. Move your alright, let's go.
I send me a check man, them can't go round a big ship go check man. Them source me number start send me a text man. Me flex watch up. Publish bad man business like media. That's why me no chat up to people neither.
Some boy publish bad man. What? Some boy publish bad man business to the media. That's why I not chat up to people neither. Then I say some boy attack the business pan like media, brother. Like I chat him out them dog. Like
90 some boy publish bad man business like media. That's why I not chat up to people neither. From things we deal with it fast. Graphic treat it graphic and it deal with it harsh.
Him say from things we deal it, him deal with it fast, brother. Ready, quick. Big up quick cook. Less than 3.
Talk to people neither. From things we deal with it fast. Graphic treat it graphic and it deal with it harsh. AR-15 go chop them up. Hello tipping at the gun go tap them up.
That was the legal over here. Wallah.
Why me not chat up to people neither? From things we deal with it fast. Graphic treat it graphic and it deal with it harsh. AR-15 go chop them up. Hello tipping at the gun go tap them up.
Hey, AR-15 go chop them up. I'll up I'm going to tap them up.
Deal with it harsh. AR-15 go chop them up. Hello tipping at the gun go tap them up. Extension stretch like elastic gun cut. From things we deal with it fast. Graphic treat it graphic and it deal with it harsh. AR-15 go chop them up. Hello tipping at the gun go tap them up. Extension stretch like elastic gun now stick them twist us like gymnastic.
Extension stretch like elastic. Extension clip stretch like elastic long.
Tap them up. Extension stretch like elastic gun now stick them twist us like gymnastic.
He must say, yo, me got nasty. Them, him say, when him shoot them, him got them twist up like gymnastics, boy.
Tap them up, extension stretch like elastic, gun stick them twist us like gymnastic. Well, I hear I'm for the house. Why brain jump left skull and a bounce about. Can't go run me no round about. Rifle shot circle, why I jump through the farmer road. I say, flag a man a save them. Can't fuck around, carrying that na make them. No few rock foot, no save them. Listen. Me, nah, take talk from nobody like 300 the pile body pa more body now.
You say, I'm not taking a talk from nobody like 300 in pile body, palm more body.
Yeah. Me, nah, take talk from nobody like 300 in pile body, palm more body. Not full, can't find no way for store body. No bury them, pass sidewalk, but store body, yeah.
Mark full. Can't find no way for store body, pan sidewalk, him throw body. Yo, graphic.
Body, palm more body, not full. Can't find no way for store body. No bury them, pass sidewalk, but throw body. Yeah, go this, and never see say I the wrong man. The 4-5, me slam on me side off the rifle that are the long.
You ever see when I take out the rhythm this, yo!
Show body them go this and never see say the wrong man.
Them got this and never see say the wrong man, brother. The wrong. Yo, dumping off your frightened. No, you reach away, I saw me not frightened. The wrong man is this. Watch out.
If you store body, no bury them pass sidewalk. Watch out. Show body them go this and never see say the wrong man. The 4-5 me slam on me side off the rifle that are the long one. Me kill whoever them say the strong man. The
yo, the man saying soft the rifle that are the long one. I know said. Me and the rifle we get saw off at the shotty, the long one shotty, then them start up. Don't ask me, I know him. Just chill. Yeah, just chill.
Say the wrong man, the 4-5 me slam on me side off the rifle that are the long one. Me kill whoever them say the strong one. The
man say, yo, me kill whoever them say the strong one. Me kill them leader. So once me kill them leader, that's it. They must scatter like fall.
To say the wrong man, the 4-5 me slam on me side off the rifle that are the long one. Me kill whoever them say the strong one. The little weakling them no know much about bad man. Yeah, the rifle yeah.
After me kill the strong one, the little weakling them know nothing about badness. Them know nothing about wagwan so. Them weak. Yeah, 7 days.
That are the long one, me kill whoever them say the strong one. The little weakling them no know much about bad man. Yeah, the rifle yeah, the real series left it topless like the Bima 3 series.
The rifle had the real series left you topless like the Bima 3 series convertible 3 series Bima them. That's how I'm talk. Jeez.
No know much about bad man yet. The rifle had the real series left you topless like the Bima 3 series. Some boy no bad. Them only chat what them see when them a pre-TVs. What the real deal is for?
Them boy no bad. Them on the practice. Them on your chat back where them see pan show, pan TV. Mission Impossible. Them boy no bad.
Bima 3 series, some boy no bad. Them only chat what them see when them a pre-TVs. What the real deal is for? Boy fi get shot up, bad man never not chat up. The gun them stack up, grease up, island pack up.
That one illegal. Sorry. Sorry.
The topless like the Bima 3 series. Some boy no bad. Them only chat what them see when them a pre-TVs. What the real deal is for? Boy fi get shot up, bad man never not chat up. The gun them stack up, grease up, island pack up. And me no care which side of the pan. From this bad man, me sure say you dead days. Well I head and powder house. Boy brain jump left skull and a bounce about. Can't go run me no round about. Rifle shot circle boy and jump through the farmer road. Flag a man a save them. Can't fuck around carrying that na making. No few rock foot no fail them. No mention I say I'm done prepared, dog. I'm no go on road left this straight, dog. 3 gangsters that run no play, dog. Dog get dirty, so me pick up a spare, dog. Figure spray, dog. You see, dog. Guns in bite, me no get receipt, dog. I'm in a pose with the feel sweet, dog. Don't tell me, you no carry side, you never know.
We say every song pan a rhythm, I know it word for word. Am my song? Am my rhythm? This is one of my favorite rhythm. Outbreak rhythm. This is when like war did hot. But know yourself. We have more of order upon the rhythm. So if you don't like what go on, you know if you do already. Now go I'm not walling up too much. Yeah, there. I see you in the next one. What?
Jamaica's worst gamer.